Spartan Mowers, as we designed the product, we looked at ways to be able to have accessibility to all the components. It's so frustrating to have a vehicle or have a piece of equipment you got to remove 3 or 4 things to get to an item. So we made it super simple. To get to the deck, pulleys, get to the shock on the deck that takes away the vibration, to clean your deck up. Very, very simple. You just slide right off here. And you don't have to put it up on a rack to put a belt on it. And then you come here to the middle of the machine here. All you do is push your lever, pull it forward. It's actually got a stop on it here. A lot of the mowers in the industry will have a fuel tank underneath here, which is extremely difficult to get to anything on the machine. Here you can get to the pumps, the fans, every single thing is so accessible on a Spartan mower. One thing about a Spartan mower, in the engine compartment, we give plenty of space. All our engines have hoses on them to turn a valve. Makes it very, very simple. Can get to everything on the machine. It is so frustrating to have to unbolt your engine, turn it to the side to get a spark plug out or whatever. So we want to stop all that frustration and give you plenty of room, and then the airflow of the machine. It's a really big deal, for your engine to have plenty of airflow. Definitely stops a bunch of frustrations.